Hi there, it's Michelle here. I hope you're having a really good day. I wanted to hop on really quickly and just see if this helps you. I have this quick grounding meditation. I call it right place, right time. And it goes like this. I don't always use it, but I used it today, so I thought I'd hop on and share it with you. When we're empaths and sensitives, right? Like we can get overwhelmed pretty quickly. We kind of leak our energy and give to other people a lot. And I think it can happen a lot this time of year. So when you can catch yourself feeling overwhelmed or when you catch yourself feeling anxious, this is something I do that really helps me. I just did it and I want to see if it helps you. So when I'm feeling anxious or overwhelmed, or I'm not able to go do the things I wanted to do because stuff happens like sick kids or something breaks down or whatever, just take a deep breath in. You can do it now with me if you want to. Blow it out. And I say this to myself: I'm in the right place at the right time. Then I say it again if I need to. I'm in the right place at the right time. Sometimes my body settles down right away and I feel really grounded. And sometimes when I say it, my body goes, hell no. They're like, no, you're not. No, you're not. So it's like I catch myself that I'm in fight or flight or freeze response. So then I have to calm myself down a little bit and go, you're in the right place at the right time. Again, my mind might try to chatter away and say, no, no, no. I keep coming back. I'm in the right place at the right time. And eventually my mind will just quiet down and I feel really grounded again. I feel really calm and clear. Sometimes I'll add to it and say, I'm in the right place at the right time for my highest good. So even if the situation I'm in is a little chaotic, if I can get myself to trust that I'm in the right place at the right time for my highest good, then it helps me move through that chaos a little bit easier. Now, of course, there's sometimes when things are bad and you know you need to leave. So this is not what I'm talking about. Like, you know when to take care of yourself and leave a situation. This is like your regular life, you know, being a parent or someone who's working in an environment that can trigger you sometimes. Just you can take a deep breath in and say to yourself, I'm in the right place at the right time. I hope you try it. Tell me if you try it, it only takes a minute or two. If you try it and you feel a shift within you, share it with us in this group. Let's see if there's enough of us who try it and if it's effective. And I've been doing this for so long, I can't remember if in the beginning when you try it, it doesn't feel like it's very effective. So keep trying it. Sometimes tools and techniques require like lifting a weight. It requires some muscle. You have to practice it for a while. So this might be one of those things. And I don't remember because I've been doing it for so long. So just keep saying it to yourself. I'm in the right place at the right time. You'll start to feel more grounded. You'll release some of that fight or flight if you're in it, or that tension or stress, or thinking you should be doing something else. It'll pull you back into just being right here, right now. And it's so effective for grounding yourself and then clearing your mind. Okay, I hope that helps. Have a great day.